The next wave of AI is conversational agents, even multimodal AI. So meaning AI that can see your screen, AI that has video, AI that you can actually talk with while you're doing these things. Until now, conversational AI has been very difficult to build unless you're a really experienced developer. 11 Labs has made it extremely easy to build your own conversational AI, clone your own voice, put it on your website as a super clean widget. You can train it on anything about your business, anything you want to know. You can put URLs that it'll scrape the website and learn about what's on there. This is a really unique tool. I mean, think about it. You can even send the URL to different clients. You know, I have a real estate background, so I work with a lot of loan officers. I work with a lot of realtors. You can teach it all about your business, the home buying process, whatever it is, right? You could send out a 2025 home buyer packet, getting ready to buy in 2025 as a PDF, then have that conversational AI train on that PDF, and then the client can ask anything about it and have a full conversation with an extremely intelligent entity that knows all about real estate, all about what that home buyer packet they just went through. This is a really unique value prop that I don't think many agents, I don't think many loan officers are thinking of. There's so many ways to integrate AI into your business, and I want to show you how. Let's build one. This is 11 Labs. You have text-to-speech, voice changer, a lot of really cool stuff, right? You can clone voices. So typically what you would want to do is go to voices and clone your voice. It's pretty easy to do. You're just going to put 30 seconds of audio in, save as an MP3, drop it in, really easy. We're going to talk about agents though. Create one, let's do real estate expert, blank template. I'm assuming you don't want to use this other stuff, so you want to create your own. Any language you can imagine, awesome. Obviously we're going to do English. Hey, did you have any questions about our 2025 home buying guide? You're helpful. And this is a prompt. This is basically how you want it to behave. You're helpful real estate assistant. This is a cool feature that I haven't seen anywhere, to be honest. You get to pick the AI model. I'm a super nerd, so I use these all the time. Personally, I recommend Claude 3.5 Sonnet. I think it's just the best with language and just kind of more natural cadence. So let's go knowledge base. You can do a URL. You can just type it in if you want. We're gonna do a file. So I had just made this home buyer's guide a little bit ago. And we built this one for Aaron Home Loans. So let's say yours helpful real estate assistant for Aaron Home Loans. We'll be specific. You have a knowledge base. You can obviously add more than that. A few other things you can edit. You can choose a voice. This is where you would pick the voice that you want to use. You would pick your own. It would be right here. We'll use just one of their stock ones for right now. This is kind of the quality. I would say the second one's solid. This is really cool, pronunciation dictionary. So if you have a tough last name, or if you're in an industry where it's kind of more advanced in science or whatever, biology, whatever you're into, you can kind of put those unique terms in. This is actually the voices. They didn't used to have this many updates. This is new. Evaluation criteria, data collection, security. Let's see, advanced, all pretty, don't really need to mess with any of it. So here what's really cool is you can actually edit it. So if you want to do like an image, you can drag and drop in. And let's just say, here, this is a picture of Aaron, or we could do my logo, Boyd Intelligence, we'll drop that in. Start a call so you can edit that even. Did you have any questions? Save. And then this is what you want to pay attention to right here. This is going to be your widget. Even if you don't know how to code, you don't know how to do anything, If you drop that widget in, it'll go automatically on your page and it'll look like this in the bottom right corner, okay? Here, we can even test it out.
Hey, did you have any questions about our 2025 home buying guide?
Yeah, I was curious about kind of the loan options. You know, I don't have a great credit score. Do you think you have an option?
Absolutely, I'm glad you asked about that. Even if your credit score isn't perfect, you still have options for home loans in 2025. One great option for you might be an FHA loan. These loans are designed to help first-time buyers or those with lower credit scores. With an FHA loan, you could potentially qualify with a credit score as low as 500 to 580, depending on other factors.
What are the steps of the home buying process?
Great question. The home buying process in 2025 involves several key steps. Let me walk you through them. 1. Pre-approval. This is where you start. Get pre-approved for a mortgage to show sellers you're serious and to speed up the closing process later. 2. House hunting.
What's the last step?
The last step in the home buying process is closing. In 2025, e-closings have become quite common, making the process more convenient and efficient.
This is honestly a cheap, easy way to add value. It's cheap. It probably costs $5 a month. I guarantee it's gonna stand out. I guarantee whoever you send this to is going to send it to someone else to check out. These are the ways that you have to start thinking. You have to start thinking outside the box and how you can differentiate yourself from your competition. This is my #1 tip going into 2025.